there, welcome to the Teeny or Tinkers channel. I make ball jointed, doll, and craft related content. My toes are cold, I'm sorry. I cannot sit in this chair without sitting crisscross applesauce. I don't know. I should probably get one of those chairs where you where it's got like the spot for you to put your feet up. I don't know, have you seen this? I have an unboxing and it's a big boy. This is my Ace of Dolls Hierophant. There will be a customization over on, over on Maine. He's going to be a soft femboy, I think, but I keep redrawing his plans and then I'm like, I just need to let it take me where it takes me. So yeah. This is, oh my god, the box. So he's a small SD. Wow, just me dropping everything. Yeah, he's a small SD, and I think he's supposed to be like 50 centimeters or so, which would just make him like a super tall, MSD, like an insanely tall MSD maybe. At least that's what I'm thinking, and I'm thinking if he's sitting with my other dolls on the shelf, he'll be fine. I know I think Doll Chateau even has like almost 50 centimeter MSDs, but I think he's like kind of a big boy, so. Okay. So, of course, we have the Ace of Doll box. Let me just get that out of this giant thing. Ugh, okay. I'm very excited. So I use my Ace of Dolls box for craft storage, and this is just a bigger version of it, and I'm like, because I love the color blocking of it, and I'm like, well, this is going to be a storage box, maybe for my photography stuff. Hello, focus, thank you. So the top of the box looks like this. I'm trying to hold it closed. It's basically like a really big shoebox. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Stop it, that's so cute. Okay, I love that. I don't know what it is about like black with rainbow, like I just freaking love it. Okay, so he is this big. So okay, that's more the size I thought, because I'm like, this box is so big. I'm gonna get the stuff out of it though, because that is going to be a fantastic storage box. I don't often keep, let me just toss it. I don't often keep doll boxes, but I like the sturdy ones for like craft storage and stuff. Because I figure if I'm gonna throw it out anyways, I might as well just keep them around and fill them with stuff. Okay, so we have a blankie. I believe Paige came in a blankie too. I also have an Ace of Dolls Paige. But yeah, and it's got a ribbon. I repurposed the ribbons. I will use this in a sewing project. The Hierophant, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, by the way. And Ace's cards are really cute. Fantasy Fawn and Oracle Aqua. So he's tan, like a mid-tan, and blue. So I'm very excited about that. Look how cute, stop. That fits with their doll. Like, I can't, that's so freaking cute. Okay. And these are extra parts, or maybe this is the faceplate. I think this is a faceplate. Okay, so we'll start here. I want to save, if that's a faceplate, I want to save it for last though. But here we have his like horn. So he's got like a optional horn, I guess. I actually am very excited about that. I love his fantasy legs. I'm not sure if this would work with the wig, and I was trying to figure out how I was going to make the wig around it. So this makes my life a lot easier, even if it just means that I can pop it on top. So I'm very excited to see that. I don't know why my brain didn't like go like, oh, that's a magnet part. Because it does that sometimes. Oh, we've got extra parts. They look like, oh, probably the tan elbows, because I know they switched out the elbows to the blue, the same as the legs. But I have the tan elbows as well. That's very cool. What a cool option. Okay, I'm gonna leave the blue ones, but I really appreciate having the extra ones in case I ever change the character around. And then this is Big Boy. He's like, this is like, I'll compare him to my Simply Meant to Be Doe after, because I feel like he's taller than Doe, but I feel like he's not like monstrously taller. We'll see. Maybe I'll get them next to each other and I'll be like, never mind. But I'm very excited. Oh! Does he have 2 head plates? He might have 2 head plates. I don't even know what's happening. Okay. Oh my god, the hooves! I've never had a doll with hooves before. Stop. Okay. I don't know who I'm telling to stop, myself, I guess, but, oh my god. He's a little smaller than, I used to have a Dreaming Doll Bella, and I think he's a little smaller than that. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm just getting him all unwrapped. He's super cute. So cute. Okay. I love his hands. They're like animated, like they're not hyper realistic, but they're like, I mean, they're not realistic. I don't know how to explain it. Like, just soft, I guess, like soft hands. Okay, so before I show his face, let's take a minute. So obviously the feet are posable as well. There's a swivel joint here. It pops out. Ooh, it's going to fight me, but it does pop out just because of the way I'm holding him. And I'm afraid to pinch. I pinched my hand in a joint the other day and it sucked. Okay, so it pops out like that. And then, ooh. Like it gets, oh, why? It gets about that much motion, which is pretty good. Look at the nice squat. I bet you once you pop this out, he could. I don't know if he could squat, if he could balance on these hooves. They're pretty, like not small, but like because it's a smaller balance point. He'll definitely be able to stand though, I can tell. I love the torso sculpting. Very pretty. Chest joint. We lean back a little. Oh, we lean forward really well, for sure. Nice. And there's not like gapping. Okay. And then looks like we get a good range of motion with the arm, double elbow, can touch his face. There's also a swivel joint here. The elbow, see how it's like the diamond? So that's like Ace's thing is like the diamonds. Okay. Let's look at this boy's face now. We're gonna slouch forward a little bit. Oh, we match. This was unintentional, but we're both blue. I'm not tan though. Although, no, I'm paler than this. I'm like very diluted. I'm like, look, I'm this tan. No, no, girl, you're not. You just wait until my winter skin really hits. Okay. Oh my god, he's so handsome. I don't know why I said that like that, but he's so handsome. So he's a faceplate. So he's like this. And then, of course, there's Ace's logo on the back of the head. But like these little ears, this is going to be so fun to paint. He looks sad. I love that he looks sad. Okay, and I'm going to open this one up. You all know I love a sad doll. He's like... I'm gonna move these. Don't want to lose those. So. Are these 2 different characters or 2 expressions? He looks happy. He looks sad. But like, we got a happy face and a sad face. I'm team sad face. I'm also team throw a face. Holy moly. Like, and then, oh, just so you can see the horn. Oh my, that's a strong magnet. Okay, I was like up here like, ooh, where does it go? Grabs it. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, yeah, that'll work through a wig. Sometimes fantasy parts like through a wig, I'm pretty sure this will snap right on. Also, the wig probably won't go, it definitely won't go this low, so that's awesome. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Okay, I'm sorry for that. But I'm so excited to customize him. Like, his nose is so beautiful. His little sad face, the ears. I freaking love the ears. And I love the body sculpting. I love how... Okay, so also, I gotta tell you, the reason I decided on femboy is because I'm fully aware these are deer legs, but in my mind, these are also thigh-high stock, like, they're stockings. And I'm like, he needs a micro mini skirt, like, or booty shorts. Like, so that you can see, like, a peek of his thigh and just, like, you know. And he needs a crop top because he has such a cute tummy, but still, like, really wide masculine shoulders. I think it's going to be so cute. Let me get my Simply Meant to Be doughy so I can compare sizes for a minute. Okay, so this is next to doughy. See what I mean? Okay, so this is seated. I can definitely tell Hierophant's going to be taller and his head's bigger. But, like, height-wise, like... and then standing, I guess I could get this. All right, boys, look at, I have 2 boys now, and I'm working on Edgar, so that's going to be 3 boys. Like, it's going to be so many boys. Boy appreciation. Okay, let's stand. Oh, he says, we're going to stand, but we're going to make it sultry. And then like this. Oh, you cannot even. Okay, I'll pick you up in just a second. Let me just get... Yeah, Hierophant is definitely leggier. But, like, this is where the height difference ends up. It's not, again, it's not an insane height difference. And seated... So if you're, like, an MSD collector, this size could still totally work for you. He could just be, like, the biggest boy of your MSD. So if you were thinking about getting him... and you're like, oh, I'm not sure about SDs, I think that this is a great place to start. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Because, like, SDs tends to be a little big for me. This is fine. Like, this is completely manageable. I don't feel like, oh my god, how am I going to dress him? Like, it's great. I'm pleased as punch with his size and, like, the resin tone, and oh, he's so cute. I'm so excited. Okay, yeah, so if you were going to pick up one of these, I know the pre-order's open till, I believe, December 1st. And I think Ace is offering, like, 6-month layaways, which is, like, pretty fantastic. So, yeah, I'll link them below. And, yeah, the customization. Why do I clap so much? Why do I hiccup so much? The customization will be over on Maine. Thank you so much, Ace, for sending him to me. I love him very much. He is going to be so cute. Like, he's already so cute, but, like, oh, I'm so excited. I have the vision now. I know what I'm going for. Okay, but if you're already subscribed, subscribe. If you're new, you know the drill, guys. Thanks. Yeah. What a great way to start my morning. As always, oh my god, no, he's so cute. As always, I hope you have a fantastic day, just like me. Bye.